Alright, we're gonna try $10 spins on Sparkling Nightlife here. $45. Oh, come on now. Hey, not bad. That's $200. Do a couple more and call it a double up. Yeah, good one. All right, here we go with Enchanted Unicorn. Here's one of my favorites. We're gonna do 45 quarters. Here's 11.25 a spin. Hey, got the berries. That's excellent. That's $125. Got 4 moons, that's good. 100. And you know what? Let's cash out there, $253. We're on $2 denom, just 5 lines. Oh, good one. Wilds? Okay, there's 24 seconds left. Let's do 2 cent denom and we'll do $2.40 a spin here. I'm gonna do 2 minutes on a bunch of these slots here. That's it on that one. This is called Cashnado here. We want keys in those locks. The keys show up on reels 1 and 5. get it. And last one. Okay, well, no keys, no wins on that one. Let's go find another game. Let's see, we got Fortune Min over here. And we'll do 2 minutes on this guy here. We'll do 304 or 340 a spin here. You want coins and multipliers. You guys hear that Heidi game in the background? There's something. Something's happening. Heck yeah. Come on, big multipliers. Come on, 10x. Well, it'll still be good. 90 bucks. That's a hard feature to get. So you really want the 10x's because that's how this game pays. I'm getting a lot of those. One more. All right. Got a lot of fa-fa-fas on that.
Thank you for playing.
And let's do one more game here. And it's going to be this Buffalo. It's called Buffalo Instant Hit.
Welcome.
All right, and let's look at the bets. You know, it's on $3. Let's do $3 a spin here. And you get those up there if you get the Buffaloes to hit. So I'll get everything where those line up. That's what I get right there. So it kind of changes. It's not very big until you get to like the 4th and 5th reel. Almost. Darn it. Oh, dude, 2 more here. Almost. And that's it. All right. Okay, we got Power Shot here. Power Shot Deluxe, actually. There's no sound on it, so imagine what it sounds like. Max bet, $4.95 a spin. So the idea is you fill this whole thing up and you get whatever the progressive is attached to it. It'd be way better if you could hear the noise. Okay, and it resets every time you get one. Come on, get that mini. I didn't want to land anything. I got it. 18. Oh, good. And it resets to 3. This one could be like the longest bonus ever. Oh, got it. What's the mega? Is 164 if I get that one. Oh, got it. We got the mini. Hey, heck yeah. Mini's $30. Might be my first progressive ever on this slot. All right. Get it. Okay, we're dead. That was how much? It's adding up okay. Plus the mini, $81. All right. These are quarters. It's $12.50 a spin. That's a good number right there. And more big numbers. Perfect. Oh, right under a jackpot. Excellent. 1175. All right, we're doing higher or lower. This is where I take a $100 bill and I play 5 different slot machines and I cash out anytime I'm $20 higher or $20 lower than when I initially started. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, here we go with game 1 of higher or lower. We're gonna do $1.80 a spin. We want that sun to show up on all 3 reels, fill them up. That's how you win on this game. We're gonna cash out at 80 or 120. Get it, get it. Hey, get the 9s. I got some 9s. 1674. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, 50 bucks. Hey, it worked. Excellent. Cashed out 136 on this one. That was a good one. Let's go to game number 2. All right, next up we got Dragon Treasure here. Cash out at 116 or 156. We'll do $1.80 spins. This can be a good game if you get the bonus. It's got multipliers in the bonus. You need those eyeballs. Eyeball, eyeball, eyeball. Dang it. I had a friend in college, and we gave him the nickname Eyeball. Oh, looks like the eyeball's not coming through on this one. Last one. Okay, that's it. Cash out 116. Let's go to game number 3. Okay, up next we got Ultra Rush Gold here. We're gonna do $1.50 spins. Cash out at 96 or 136. Oh, get it. Almost. Oh, that was a tease. Oh, shoot. I needed one more. Last one. We'll do one more. Okay, that's it for sure. Okay, Buffalo Chief is game 4 here. We're at 95, so let's go to 75 or 115. We'll do $1.60 spins. Bonus. Oh, tough game. One more. Oh, no, that'll save me. All right, last one again. And that's it on that. Okay. Well, dang. All right, last game. Let's see if we can make it a winner. All right, I'm at Imperial 88, and we're going to do $1.76. We're going to cash out 56 or 96 or higher. Hopefully we can break even. It's a loser week. Dang it. We started off good with that first game, but okay, 56-49 this week. Yeah, we've done way better. I hope you enjoyed though. Bye-bye.